Welcome SATS Busters to question 2. Stefan completes this calculation. 95 take away 67 equals 28. And we've got to write an addition calculation that he could use to check his answer. Now basically, addition and subtraction are the opposites of each other, or inverses of each other. Inverse is just a posh word for opposite. Now the easiest way to explain this is to write a little number machine. So basically what we're doing is we're starting with 95 and we are taking away 67 and out pops 28. So if we reverse that back the other way and start with the 28 and go backwards, well, if we're going backwards we need to do the opposite or the inverse, and the opposite of subtract 67 is add 67. So if we do 28 add 67, we should get back to this 95. So that would be the calculation that we could do. 28 add 67, and we should see if it gets back to 95. If it does get back to 95, then we know that the answer of 28 was correct in the first place. So let's just double check that. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Put the 5 in, carry the 1. And 2 plus 6 is 8. Plus this extra 1 down here that we've just carried is 9. And we've got back to the 95 that we started with. Therefore, his answer of 28 must be correct.